Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. This is my book too. This week's prompt was napkins, and guess what? This one I may have not been able to do, but I knew I had at least one little pack of napkins. And I knew I had some Jane Davenport ones, and I had this, there's a flower one in the background I also used. And I have to thank Kathy because I actually found some I must have stuck in a drawer of a little pack from Kathy that had this and this flower one I used. So thanks, Kathy. So this is what it looks like. And it says wilder than in the wind. And I got her, the hair, and I just doodled around it and kind of, that's what it looks like. It's kind of hard and dark because if you see, got a moon here, there's an eye there, and then the face, and I put this crown I had, and that's about all. Napkins. That's my layout. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye.